All right, we have one box of 2020's Topps Stadium Club Baseball for Brad B. Good luck, Brad. Hot. Sounds good, Jonathan. Do you remember the box numbers I had? Because I don't. We have another Ozzie Albies. Alright, good luck, Brad. Let's pull you a Luis Robert. Yeah, Patrick Corbin. We have a Kutch. Nice. Orange, black, and white. Andrew McCutchen. Alright, word up, I'll get into it right after this. What box number do you want? I have 34 and 75, and then a bunch of others that I'll read off after this. If you don't like 34 or 75. Or if you just want to make me read off the numbers, which I'm sure is what's going to happen. Maybe that's just how all Aaron Nola cards are. That's just weird. Albert Pujols. This is a members only. That's SP. Pull me one. It works. We got Zach Gallen, rookie auto. Then you can blame me. Jeez. We got Rod Carew. Austin Nola and Alex Bregman. We have a nice Jordan Alvarez Chrome. We got Victor Robles Black Foil. And I've been working like a dog. We have Barry Zito, red foil. Wasn't he with San Fran? I feel like he was. We have an Alex Bregman Chrome. Refractor Chrome. PSA 10 Henderson. Yeah, Shane Bieber, Justice Sheffield, and Cody Bellinger. Kyle Lewis. Manny Machado, red foil. Whatever. Y'all don't blame me when you pull the big hits though. Y'all don't blame me when I pull the big hits for y'all. That Christian Yelich, no, maybe not. I thought there was a bent corner, but it's just part of the stadium in the background. Yeah, Sam Hilliard, rookie auto. And we have a Yordan Alvarez, red foil. Nice Jordan. That's what I'm saying. We got a Nico Horner, black foil. Russ, don't even, man. I pulled you that trout. Get out of here. Miss me with that. You got Kwang Hin Kim. Hard foil. Mike, I'm going to pull fire in the next one, dude. Congrats on that, Brad.